Okay, in this video we're going to learn watershed delineation. So here I have our elevation raster for Bangladesh, and now let's go to our Arc toolbox. From there we go to special analyst tools. From there we will go to hydrology, and then we're going to conduct the field, and this is the reason why we're going to be conducting the field as written here. Okay, now we take in our file, change our target folder to whichever folder I want to save it in, and then just call fill dot. Okay, 0 fill dot diff. Save it. Click on OK. Now we're going to wait, and our fill is here. Now I'm not going to choose the target folder anymore. I'm just going to let it happen wherever it wants. But the purpose of showing the target folder was to make sure to make you understand that you need to save your entire work in a single target folder so that you can recall it anytime you want and do your edits and anything else you want to do with it. Alright, now I'm just going to close off this one. Now we have fill. After fill, we're going to do flow direction. Now we're going to use the fill file to do flow direction. Click on OK. Okay, flow direction is done, so I'm going to close off fill as well. And after that, we're going to do basin. There you go. We're going to use the flow direction for conducting the basin. There you go. Basin has been done as well. Now we're going to turn the basin raster file into basin polygon file by using the conversion tools. And from there we go to from raster, and then we're going to do raster to polygon, and then we're going to choose our basin. Okay, let it happen wherever it wants to happen. There we go. Now we're going to select in a particular basin that we're going to do watershed delineation for. Alright, let's choose, and let's see, this basin looks quite big, so I'm going to choose in this basin. Okay, after selecting that, we go to geoprocessing, go to clip, choosing this folder, this file, raster T basin F2, and then raster T basin F2. Okay. Alright, it's done. Okay, we just need that. Let's make it hollow. Increase the border size. Alright, click on OK. It's done. Alright. After it's done, we're going to go back to Special Analyst Tools. From there, we'll go to Hydrology. This time, we're going to do Flow Accumulation. Let's give in our flow direction. We're going to do accumulation for flow direction. Alright, now that our flow accumulation is done, we're going to go to Special Analyst Tools. From there, we're going to go to Map Algebra, do raster calculations. We're going to put in flow accumulation, which is going to be greater than a certain value, and let's say the certain value is going to be 520. Click on OK. It is done. Now we're going to change this flow accumulation FLO into a polygon file. So to do that, we're going to go to conversion tool again. From there, we'll go to from raster, and therefrom we go to raster to polyline. There you go, put raster, it's going to be this file. Okay, okay. And it is done. So I'm going to close off this one as well. This one as well. Alright. So right now we have the particular basin we want to do it for, and then we have the watershed delineation for that. For the entire all of the basins, but we're going to be doing it for only this basin. So we go to geoprocessing, we go to clip, and in feature we're going to take in this particular line feature, and our cookie cutter is going to be our clip, this raster T basin F2 clip. There you go, click on OK. There, it's done. So we're just going to keep in those two, and we're going to close off all other things, and I can even increase the line weight from here and the line color. Let's change it to a bluish color so that it looks like water flowing. Alright, there we go, it is done. So to make it look a bit better, we can add in shapefile. There I've added in the shapefile of Bangladesh, and I don't think it's going to look good like that. No, I think let's keep it as it was, right? Remove it. There you go. We have it right here. What else we can do is, let's see how would it look like. Nope, it didn't look good. So yeah, we can go with what we have right here, and then we can go to map layout and make a map out of it. All right. So that was a shortcut version, not a shortcut version, a quick tutorial on how to do watershed delineation. And I hope you understood the tutorial. It was a quick tutorial, but if I had wanted, I could have made it longer, but that way the steps could have been harder on you. So to make the learning process easy, this was a quick tutorial on how to do watershed delineation. Okay, and thank you very much for watching.